The maintenance of packaging machines often gets overlooked. Machine downtime is not only frustrating, but costs you precious time and money. At Specialty Equipment, we have a team of certified technicians that can service and repair all kinds of filling machinery. Whether you fill quarts, jugs, pails, drums, or totes, we can help you maintain all of your filling and conveying systems. We have an inventory of hard-to-find spare parts, including filling lances, ready to ship to your location. Our preventative maintenance contracts are designed to help your machine before a problem occurs. When you sign up for a maintenance program, you get regularly scheduled maintenance, plus discounts on spare parts and technician hours. We can also perform scale certifications. To learn more about our service and support, visit specialtyequipment.com.